Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to be talking about the Cybex Cloud Q sensor safe infant car seat. This car seat has a weight capacity of 4 to 35 pounds or 30 inches, which is approximately from birth to about 12 to 18 months. We'll start off with some aesthetic features. This color is the autumn gold. If you're looking for something a little bit more neutral, they also carry black, blue, gray, and pink. And for the more adventurous parents, they also have some really fun patterns. It has a large foldaway canopy to protect your baby from any harsh conditions. It is UPF 50+. This car seat can also recline. That means it has a full recline position outside the car that also extends the leg rest. And this positioning is ideal for newborns. The angle can be adjusted easily with one hand without having to take your baby out of the car seat, and the handle remains in the carrying position for easier mobility. It has extra wide Y harness straps and a nice padding on the shoulder and crotch to keep your baby comfortable. The Cloud Q is also compatible with a lot of strollers, including Cybex, Up-A-Baby, Nuna, Baby Jogger, and a lot more. Now we're going to highlight the safety features of this car seat. There's a removable newborn inlay for premature and newborn babies. This inlay allows them to lay flatter and helps them breathe easier, which is safer since these tiny babies don't have a lot of neck muscle strength yet. This car seat has a telescopic linear side impact protection, LSP system, which adds additional protection for your baby in the event of a crash. Additionally, the overall shell of the car seat is built for absorbing any force from impact. The Cloud Q has a height adjustable headrest and a no rethread harness with 11 different positions, which just makes it easier to adjust as your child grows. The sensor safe feature means that it integrates safety technology into the chest clip of the harness to alert you when unsafe situations arise. The alerts are provided through a vehicle receiver and your smartphone. Now we're going to go over how to install the car seat into your car. It's important to note that this car seat has a European belt route for safe installation without a base. To do this, place the car seat rear facing on the seat. Move the handlebar down into its lowest position. This will act as an anti-rebound bar in the event of a crash. Pull out the slack of the seatbelt and click it into the buckle over the car seat. You'll notice the two red clips on the sides of the seat. While holding the shoulder belt, adjust the lap belt across the car seat so its edges nest inside the red clips. Pull the shoulder straps tight and then pull it around the back of the seat. There you will see a central clip to nest the seatbelt into. Make sure that the horizontal marker on the safety sticker is parallel to the floor. Extend the side protection tools on whatever side is closest to the car door for additional impact protection. You can also install the car seat with its base. With this, there's two ways to install it, either with the seatbelt of the car or the latch system within the base. Now we're going to show you how to use the latch system. Pull out the latch and the load leg from the bottom of the base. Insert the latch into the crease of the seat until it clicks and the button turns green. Extend the load leg until it is level with the floor and clicks. Place the car seat on top of the base in its rear-facing position. The gray button on the base will pop up and show green once the car seat is secure. This is the same button you will push down to remove the car seat from its base. Again, use the side buttons to lower the carrying handle into an anti-rebound bar against the seat until it clicks. Extend the side protection tools on whichever side is closest to the car door for added impact protection. When using the latch system, there's only specific seats in the car that are able to do that, so just check your owner's manual to make sure it's appropriate for the car seat. As you can see, the Cybex Cloud Q offers great safety features and an easy installation to make life easier for parents. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw here today, please shop with us on babycubby.com. If you spend over $25, shipping is free. If you want to learn more about the Sirona S, which is Cybex's convertible car seat, click here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.